Good morning. My name is Oscar Javier Jimenez Jimenez. Introduction. The ability to innovate constitutes one most result at the company as we is as financial, commercial and the productive capacities and must be managed rigorously and efficiently. Together with human capital, innovation activities constitute one of the main fibers that determine the, the competitive uh, advance industrial economy. Objects design a creative infographic or inappropriate cause. Select select one and the difficulties to access technology. I identify the variables at the little knowledge, the evaluation methods by the technology minds in charge of the process. Brainstorm diagram. Recommendation. Known about intellectual property will allow different organizations to better manage their technology resources. Technology models will allow the company to add value in the technology management. Thank you very much.